Hey my lavenders, how are you all? I hope you all are safe and doing great, and I'm back with another exciting makeup tutorial. So today I'm gonna share this beautiful gorgeous soft nude glam makeup look for Eid, and if you want to know how I create this look then please keep on watching. And also if you are new in my channel then hi, my name is Srijani. So now let's quickly jump to the video. Okay, so first I'm using this primer from Mion, and it's a silicone based primer, so it's gonna fill my pores. And as I have sensitive skin, that's why my skin needs a silicone based primer. And next I'm using this Insight Pro color corrector to hide my dark circles and my acne spots area. Next I'm using a loose powder to set my color corrector. Next I'm using this Fizz Beauty concealer in the shade beige. Next I am doing my eyebrows with this Mars Hue gel liner in the shade of black. Next I am using this dark peachy shade to create my whole eye look. Next I am using this golden shimmery shade and apply it on my eyelid. Next I am using this Lakme liquid liner. Next I am using this S.F.R color blusher in the shade of peach. For the lipstick I am using two shades today. One is brown and one is nude pink shade. Next I am using this Mion Mist and Fix Setting Spray to set my whole makeup. At last I am using this Glam Glow Highlighter. ओके सो दिस इज़ द फाइनल लुक. अगर ये वाला लुक आप लोगों को पसंद आया है तो प्लीज़ डू लेट मी नो इन द कमेंट सेक्शन, एंड इफ़ यू लाइक दिस वीडियो देन प्लीज़ डोंट फॉरगेट टू गिव दिस वीडियो a big thumbs up. Also do comment, share and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification so you cannot miss any of my videos. That's it for today's video. Stay safe, stay healthy and Eid Mubarak.